In this video, I'm going to be talking about writing a while loop in PHP programming. So, to write a while loop in PHP, you're going to say while, okay, condition brackets, and then the curly brackets that are going to hold the code are going to print out. Okay, so I'm going to create a count variable that keeps every iteration like this. Okay, and I'll set it up to count up to 0. In here, I'm going to use the count. Okay, use the count, and I'll say it count up to what? Up to 5. And for each iteration, the count is just going to be saying hello world. Okay, or let's say hello PHP. Then I'll introduce a break statement like this. Introduce a break statement like this, just like that. So set up this while loop should print this statement 5 times. Okay, so you have the while keyword, the condition that you are putting here, then the code that you're going to be printing out like that. Okay, so if you save that, you run this code in your browser. Okay, so you don't want to make that mistake. So what you have to do is that every time you have a count variable, make sure that you're incrementing the count variable by 1 or by any number. Okay, so now if you run this, you're going to have hello PHP 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th time, just like that. Okay, so if we do not want to be doing this count on our own, we're going to say count, then we're going to concatenate to join this variable and this string here, and I'll leave some space there. So now when we run like this, we're going to have how many prints? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if you want, we can increment this print to what? We can increment this print to 15. Now if we refresh this, we have what? We have up to 1 up to what? We have 1 up to 15. Just like that, that quick and that fast. Okay, so this is exactly how you set up a while loop in PHP. So while, then condition brackets, then you show the count variable incrementing. Yeah, you have a code that you want to print out. So this structure is how you set up a while loop in PHP.